Hey everyone, welcome to Beginner Bits. In this video, we are going to learn a very important concept of Python, list. So let's get started. First, let's create our Python file. So, what's the definition of list? In Python, a list is a collection of items. These items can be numbers, words, or even other lists. Lists are very helpful when you need to store multiple things together. Lists are mutable. What does this mutable word mean? So, mutable means if we want to change something in the list, we can do that. And the actual list will be changed. Let's take an example. So, what's happening here? This is our list, okay? This is the name of our list. Shopping list, this is the name. Then we have this list. In Python, we use square brackets to write a list. And inside these brackets, we have the items. And to separate the items, we use comma, okay? So, in this list, we have these 4 items. Now, if we print this, what will happen now? Let's see. The whole list will be printed. There you go. Now, let's take another list. Now, this is our new list. Also remember, we can store any data type in a list. Let's say I want to add an integer. Let's say 55. Will this return an error? No. Let's see. There you go. We have this 55 here. You see? Now let's say I want to add a boolean also. Let's say true. What will happen now? There you go. We have this 55 and true. Okay? So we can add any data type in a list. Okay? Let's remove them for now. I hope you remember indexing. In Python, index numbers starts from 0. So, the index number of this mango will be 0, then 1, 2 and 3. Now, let's see if we want to write or get only this item, how can we do that? We are going to use indexing. Now, what is the index number of this orange? This will be 1, right? 0, 1. So, let's say 1. Now, if we run this, there you go. We have this orange output. You see? Also, we can slice the list. Let's see. Print. This will, let's say, start from 1 and end before 3. So, the output should be starting from 1. So, the index number 1 is this orange and ends with number 3. So, 0, 1, 2, 3, but excluding this 3. So, the output should be orange and apple. Let's see. There you go. We have this orange and apple. Okay. Now, let's see some functions or methods to do things in list. Okay. Let's say we want to add another item in our this fruits list. Okay. For that we can use append function. Let's say I want to add grapes. Now if we print this, now let's see. There you go. We have this whole list, then we have this grape. Okay. Now let's say I want to remove this mango item. How can we do that? For that we are going to use another function. Now if we run this, there you go, we have orange, apple, banana and grape. We have no mango in our list now. Okay, now let's say I want to reverse the list. So this will start from the last one to the first one. How can we do that? Let's see. Let's see. There you go. First we have this grape, banana, apple and orange. So the list has been reversed. Okay. Now there are a lot of functions or methods to do things in list, but you don't have to remember them all. You can simply go to ChatGPT, you see, and search for, let's say, give me the functions of list in Python. There you go. This will give you all the functions of list in Python. Okay. Now the last part. Let's take another list. Let's say 1, 55, 3, 6, 3. So in this list we have the integers, all of them are numbers. So we can sum them directly from here. For that, let's say I want to sum this list. Okay. Now if we run this, there you go, 68. So 1 plus 55 plus 3 plus 6 plus 3, it's 68. Okay. Now let's quickly go over what we learned now. Okay. So this is our overview. A list is a collection of items like numbers or words. Okay. Lists are created using square brackets and items are separated by commas. You can access items in a list using their index. Okay. You can add items using append function and remove them using remove function. Also there are other functions too. Then we have used sum function on list directly. So that's it for today's video. If this video helped you, consider subscribing and see you in the next one. Bye.